Looking for ways to work out at home? Want to keep fit without hitting the gym? Well, you're in the right place. Home gyms are more than just a trend, they're a lifestyle. Imagine the convenience of breaking a sweat right in your living room or garage. No travel time, no queuing for machines, just you and your workout. Enjoy the flexibility of exercising on your own terms, at your own pace. So, ready to set up your own home gym? Let's dive into it. First things first, you need to find a suitable spot in your house for your gym. It's essential to choose an area that provides ample room for movement, boasts good airflow, and if possible, lets in some natural light. You have a variety of options. Perhaps you have a spare room gathering dust, an underutilized garage, or even just a cozy corner of a room that could be transformed. Remember, it doesn't have to be a huge space, just enough for you to move around comfortably. Now that you've found your spot, it's time to fill it with the right equipment. Let's break down some of the best gym equipment suitable for home use. First up, resistance bands. These versatile tools are perfect for strength training and flexibility workouts. They're lightweight, easy to store, and can be used to work every muscle group. Whether you're looking to tone your arms, sculpt your abs, or strengthen your legs, resistance bands have you covered. Next, we have dumbbells. These classic pieces of equipment are great for both isolated and compound exercises. You can use them to add some weight to your squats, perfect your bicep curls, or even perform some shoulder presses. Dumbbells come in a variety of weights, so you can easily adjust the intensity of your workouts to match your fitness level. Lastly, don't forget about the humble yoga mat. It's not just for yoga. A good mat provides a comfortable surface for a wide range of exercises, from planks to Pilates. It can also help improve your balance and stability during workouts. Now, it's important to remember that these are just a few examples. The world of home gym equipment is vast and varied, with options to suit every fitness goal. So take your time, do your research, and choose the tools that will help you achieve your goals. Remember, the key is to choose equipment that suits your fitness goals. You don't need to buy everything at once, start small and gradually add more as you progress. And there you have it. Your very own home gym is ready. In a nutshell, you've found the right spot, chosen the ideal equipment, and created a space that's all yours. It's simple, isn't it? Now you can enjoy the convenience of working out anytime, right from the comfort of your own home. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your fitness journey right from the comfort of your home. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks.